In this unit, you will learn to create your own digital story. And you have created digital story in the 387 class, which is the video that you have created. And in this case, you learn to create a different story using a different tool. And now, I have a couple of videos that introduce the idea of digital storytelling, and instead of me talking about it, you can go through those two videos and you have a good idea of what it means. And then the tool that we want you to use is called Toontastic. It is a fun animation tool. It has an overview, and it also has it has a video on how it is being used in an elementary school, and another video on how it is being used in a girls' school. And you can also click here to see some of the examples that it has in its website. Now, Toontastic, actually, when you first launch the program, it has a storyboard like this. Does it look familiar? It probably looks familiar to you if you have taken any type of literary class. And this is kind of the sequence on how you create a story. And so when little kids use this tool, they will need to go through these steps, and this is a very good way for them to learn how to write a story. And you, as an educator now, and you can also use this tool and go through these steps, and so try to create a example that you can use for your students later on in your teaching. And then when it is done, the Toontastic, it has its own program called ToonTube that allows you to share the videos that you have created. It doesn't have a way for you to directly upload it to YouTube, so you have to use their program. And after you have uploaded to ToonTube, it will allow you to embed it into your Google website, kind of just like YouTube. And I have another video that shows you how to embed it into your Google page. Now, the assignment is for you to create an animation that creates it includes all the components that are in a story: setup, conflicts, challenge, climax, and resolution. And we want you to create something that is fun, creative, in order to inspire your own students. And the video should be longer than 1 minute. If it is a video that has all these different components, I'm sure it will be longer than 1 minute. And it has some limited supplies of characters for you, in the free version, and you do need to use the iPad in order to use this tool. And so, if you want to, you can actually draw some characters yourself. You can also draw some backgrounds, and so that increase the additional elements that you can use. And you can, of course, purchase the program, but that is not required, and unless if you have your own iPad that you want to use. If you have your own iPad or iPhone and you want to actually purchase the program to get additional characters, you can do that. And so share your completed animation on ToonTube and then embed it on your website. Now, I want you to have some extra incentive in creating something creative. And so if you have created an animation and upload it, and that animation receive a lot of hits, like 1,000 hits or more, you can receive extra 30 points. Now, I know that the ToonTube is not as famous, not as popular as YouTube, and so if you want to, you can use like Screen-O-Matic, or you can come to me. I have a program on my computer, or you can just let me know, send me an email, okay, and then I'll go to your website and capture your ToonTube animation. I'll be happy to help you convert it and put it on YouTube for you. what I do is that I'll watch it on my computer. While I'm watching it, I'll capture it very professionally and then upload it to YouTube for you. And if you can get 1,000 hits, on YouTube too, you get the 30 points. Okay, and that's the assignments, and I hope you have lots of fun doing it, and it can also be a very meaningful and useful tool for you. Okay, looking forward to seeing your product.